This is so cool. This is fresh made coconut milk and freshly shaved coconut. Over here, she's grinding the coconut, and then he is taking it and pressing it in really strong presses, and it's just straight milk, no water added, anything, and it turns into this delicious, fresh coconut milk that is so rich. This is a lot. You can't drink all this. Check out this operation. At this machine, a woman uses a grinder to take the brown kernel off the meat and then feeds the coconut into the grater. This is sold as freshly grated coconut. Here, the woman is grating the coconut and just leaving the brown kernel on the meat. This batch is placed in a porous bag and handed over to the man who is operating the press. Creamy coconut milk. It doesn't get fresher than this.